Hello students, welcome back to NEET exam crack. So in today's video of concept of the day, I'm going to discuss with you some plants and the nature of endosperm in them. So this topic is very important for NEET 2021 from the chapter sexual reproduction in flowering plant of class 12th. Okay, so यहाँ पे देखिए सबसे पहले जो plant है that is cereals में rice and wheat. So in rice and wheat, the nature of endosperm is starchy. Second is cereals like maize. The nature of endosperm is proteinaceous. Okay, so you have to remember this point very clearly कि cereals में अगर rice और wheat पूछेंगे ना तब तो starchy बोलना है, but उसी तरह से maize भी एक cereal है but उसमें proteinaceous होता है, and the proteinaceous layer is aileron layer which is the layer of endosperm, right? Next, in castor and coconut it is oily in nature. Okay, oily endosperm मिलता है. And next is ivory palm, it is cellulosic in nature. And in date palm it is hemicellulosic in nature. Okay, so this is very important information for NEET 2021. यहाँ से काफ़ी बार क्वेश्चन आ चुके हैं प्रीवियस ईयर में, सो इस टॉपिक को आप ज़रूर अच्छे से तैयार करिएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द डे. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.